Welcome to your Tech Logics. Today, we're thrilled to unbox and explore the small table fan with LED display, 2000 mAh battery rechargeable fan with 5 speeds, 5.8-inch mini desktop fan with 180 degrees tilt folding and phone stand for home and office, a must-have for gadgets for living in homes, offices, or outdoor adventures. This gadget is designed to keep you comfortable in a safe, handy, and eco-friendly way. Let's dive into the unboxing and discover what makes this device a true game changer. Based on our experience, we recommend using this fan while working on your PC or laptop. It can be placed on your desk, directing airflow towards you to keep you comfortable and cool while you work. This fan features a unique mini desktop design with a 180 degrees tilt, allowing you to adjust the airflow to your preferred direction. Its folding capability makes it easy to store and carry, making it highly convenient for on-the-go use. Additionally, it includes a built-in phone stand, enabling you to conveniently prop up your device while you work or relax. These features make the fan not only versatile but also highly practical for everyday use. For first-time use, it's recommended to fully charge the fan before operating it regularly. To do this, connect the provided USB-C cable to the fan's USB port and then connect the other end to a USB power adapter, such as the one you use for mobile charging. This will ensure the fan is properly charged and ready for optimal performance during use. When you power on the fan, the charging indicator will appear on the LED display, showing the current battery status. The display also indicates the battery charging percentage, allowing you to easily monitor the remaining power and know when it's time to recharge. Equipped with a 2000 mAh battery, this hand fan offers impressive runtime with a full USB-C charge taking approximately 2 hours. It provides up to 6 hours of operation on low speed, 4 hours on medium, and 2 hours in turbo mode, ensuring long-lasting cooling wherever you go. Featuring 5 adjustable speed settings and a powerful motor, our portable fan delivers strong, consistent airflow to keep you cool and comfortable. The variety of speed options includes a gentle, natural breeze, making it safe and suitable for use around infants and sensitive individuals. This table fan features an intuitive LED display that allows you to easily monitor your fan's speed and battery life at a glance. This ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience, giving you a refreshing breeze whenever you need it. You can also use the built-in phone stand to hold your mobile device, allowing you to enjoy videos hands-free. While using the stand, you can relax and watch your favorite content, all while benefiting from a gentle, quiet airflow from the fan with minimal noise, providing a comfortable and enjoyable experience. Additionally, this fan can be conveniently recharged using your PC's USB ports, making it easy to power up anytime and anywhere. This offers a simple and flexible charging option for your convenience.